Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryanshi and my today's topic is case report form. A case report form is a standard document used in a clinical research and medical studies to collect and record the data about the individual patient or the study participant. And CRF are designed to capture the specific information about each participant's medical history, treatment, outcome and in a structured and consistent manner. Then the primary purpose of the CRF in a clinical research and the medical study is a systematic collect and record the data about the individual study participant or the patient, and it helps to maintain the uniformly in the data collection across the different study sites and among various investigators. Then elements of the CRF is first participant identification, medical history, baseline characteristic, medication and the treatment, adverse event, concomitant medication, safety reporting, laboratory data, study outcomes, clinical assessment and the data quality control, safety reporting, ethical and regulation compliance, source documentation and data validation checks. The first is participant identification. In that these sections capture the demographic information such the participant name, unique identifier and the date of birth and the contact details. In medical history, information on the participant medical history including pre-existing condition and previous treatments, surgeries and relevant medical event. Then third is baseline characteristic, data related to the participant baseline health status such as vital signs, in that example blood pressure and the heart rate and the height, weight and the BMI. Then next is the medication and the treatment, details about the medication and treatment or the intervention administered to the participant during the study, including the doses and frequency and start and end dates. Then adverse event, a section for the reporting any adverse event, side effect or the unexpected event experienced by the participant during the study along with their severity and relationship to the study treatment. Then concomitant medication, information about the any medication or the therapies the participant is taken concurrently with the study treatment, and their laboratory date, in that result of the laboratory test and the assessment such as blood test, urine test and the imaging report and the other diagnostic measures. Then next is a clinical assessment, in the data collection from the clinical assessment and the measurements such as vital signs, laboratory test result and the other relevant data. And the next is study outcome, in that clinical response, disease progression and the survival data is included. Then next is a follow-up visit. If the study involves follow-up visit, the CRF may include the sections for the recording data from this subsequent visit. Then next is data quality assurance, a section for the investigator and research staff to sign and date confirming the accuracy and the completeness of the data entered. Then safety reporting, in that details about the adverse event and the serious adverse effect and casualty assessment and the intervention and the management. Then the ethical and the regulatory compliance, the documents of the approval from ethics committee and the compliance with the relevant regulation and the guidelines. So thank you everyone.